So, this is the 14th vlog of making a game in Love 2D, and you are currently watching Attaching Studios. Now, this time I have actually fixed my game and it's working quite good, except of sometimes that's because of the algorithm I use, but that's okay. But it's fixed right now. Now, another thing is that I also fixed the battery options. Now it's actually um, working correctly. When I plug it, it's actually changed to charging. And for some reason, I was checking if the game is actually getting hanged or not. So I made a timer and got to know that if I use the repeat until function, then it's not working correctly. Over here, I actually managed to make that a feature not related to beta, but just for now. That is the location of player. Location, I think so. Whatever. So, our next task might be to check for actually. I need to think, but still, my frame rates are dropping and beta is on. After I fixed all that, I also fixed the DX feature that was actually um, lagging a little bit, but that's okay. And now let's start by actually seeing what I actually coded. If possible, then I will try to fix the code for, for that only. And for now, I think I will do some changes, basic changes. And by the next video, I think I will do something, but it seems like we have already done. So first of all, I actually removed the feature about the function. It was actually making an error when I used the repeat. I used the repeat function and then just like if function, but over here I needed to actually directly use this. But first let's go to the touches area, and here I have simply just did like system dot touch locations are equal to floor of touch locations. That is actually like floor of something is the lowest values or the highest values for the lowest values of the floats. That is floats means decimals, and I can simply say like if there is a number like with decimal expansion, that is a float, for example 7.25, then its floor will be 7, and that actually rounds off again whatever that will be to the lowest. Now there is another function that is ceiling, just similar to that. The difference is that for 7.25 it will just keep the value as 8. So it will assume that the number is actually an integer and not a float, and correct the number accordingly. For floor, it's like integer, but it will just take the side values floor and actually it will not include anything after the decimal expansion to the right side, and that's like the floor. So if assumed 8.2945 etc whatever, then it will actually assume that the floor of that number as simply 8, and even 8.9 bar, that is 8.999999 infinitely, it will still consider the floor as I think yes, as if I took 8.9 bar, then it will be 8. So whatever the number b, it will just ignore what is after decimal expansion and assume that as whatever the number is, just as much. Now you can, I think, also take the ceiling, but I don't think ceilings are good enough. But still, I actually required the floor because I prefer floor better. But still, if you want, you can actually do like use ceiling, and then you can make some minor changes to the script. Now for here the player movements, I did like if player um, player location is actually I just copied the thing, just copied it all. Then let's go for the x-axis, that is if um, character location is more than system touch location, then what it will do it like it will just change like what I did is just change the player location by removing the speed. So player.chrx is equals to player.chrx minus player.chrs. That is, I removed speed, the number, the value of speed from chrx. Now I had to make a variable chrx because for making difficulty levels. So above that, I have also mentioned a code that is if the difference of character location and system touch location is actually smaller than um, character speed, then it will actually do what is well, if the number is not, if the number other than 1 player the chrs is 1, then nothing will happen. Otherwise it will just continuously do the same glitch that I actually showed once, that up down up down up down multiple times. So sorry for disturbances, but over here that I was talking about that glitch, and um, it would actually require a specific value, that is actually the, you can actually also take the nearest 25 if you can do that. But I actually used a simpler code, that is or you can also do like player dot chrx is equals to player dot system dot tx and all problems solved. But for my, but for my difficulty system, I will actually not make such systems. And over here I actually did like if the condition player difference of player location and touch locations is smaller than um, player speed, then actually it will do like simply just subtract the remainder, um, subtract this difference of actually it will actually take the difference of speed of remainder of difference, or actually of division of speed and um, our character location and touch locations. I think I should repeat that. um, it will this will if the condition is true, then what will happen is just like character character position will be changed by um, difference of um, the speed and remainder of division of speed and that is speed and player location minus difference of player location and system touch locations, and that is like speed by difference of character x and touch x. Now that's actually a feature of Lua 5.1 and above, I think so, but still for now, for the second major statement, that is if 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 I think I made something wrong, but that's okay, but that works still. So if player location or something, okay, over here there's actually no ending, or okay, there is it, there it is. So at first I actually just simply, for let's explain the else, that is that I simply made the player character location plus speed, simple. Now again this time in if statement I have, because player location is smaller than system locations, so I actually made like system.tx minus player.chrx, and that's only changed the positions of system.tx and player.chrx are only changed, otherwise everything is remained untouched. So over here it is like if system.tx minus player.chrx is smaller than player.chrs, then when the command is when the condition is true, then player.chrx is equals to player.chrs minus mat.f mod of c player.chrs. Well, again we did no changes except of system.tx minus player.chrx, that is the same what we actually wrote in the conditions. Now same for the y-axis, and I think just over here there is a problem, so let's cut that. Is it being cut or not? Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's okay. I think this was the reason it's being mad or something, but that's okay. Now same for this also, just some things change, or actually nothing is changed. Yes, we actually forgot to explain the last command, that is else, that is we need to do nothing will be changed if system touch location, and the location of location I need to learn that, or the location of touch and character are same. That's it. Now at last I think I need to do something else, like so over here I will actually just select that manually, copy that, and now I will go downwards uh, until I reach the player area. So is it actually working correctly or it isn't? Okay. Just over here. Aha. Aha. Let's select that. I made a mistake over here. So we can actually just cut that. And now everything is okay. So that's it for this video. I think we will just try that again. Let's do like remove the love application, and now do like love for Android. Let's play that. So when we actually play that, now when we touch, you can see over here. Okay, I made something wrong, but okay, you can see now this is only showing when it's just like game mode, game state play, and I need to fix this bug. Well, this is not going for x-axis but just for y-axis, because I think there might be some problem, but I think otherwise it's right. Or I think it's there still is any problem. Yes, there is. We can't actually see that where the problem is. Maybe that's a problem in the algorithm I used again. So it's like it is unable to divide. I need to change that, and you can also do like we will do that like I will check, but that's okay. Now we fixed our game. I think this was devlog 14, and you are currently watching Attachable Studios, and that's it. That's it. You may leave. Is it closed?